Most standard nipples on the market operate pretty much the same. The standard nipple design uses a spring, a diaphragm, or a silicone insert to hold the nipple stem in place against the body. As the stem is depressed, water is released under pressure, causing it to spray. This high-pressure spray results in wasted water and the pig drinking less. The Rio Drinker nipple is a totally new concept in water nipples. Featuring the innovative HydroDam design, the Rio eliminates spraying at any water pressure. Positioned inside the nipple body just ahead of the release point, the HydroDam blocks the release of water and delivers a gentle, even flow to the animals. Pigs drink more with less water wasted. Watch this demonstration of the Rio compared to a standard nipple at 32 psi. Note how the water sprays out wastefully. In contrast, there's no spraying with the Rio nipple, and instead water flows out of the nipple in a gentle stream. The Rio Drinker nipple provides your animals with a better source of water by eliminating wasteful spraying and allowing them to drink more. The Rio